Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at this item over here. This is a folding knife holder or pouch or bag, and it's by WeKnife and Civivi. They are sister companies, and this was a free gift with purchase. So I'm going to break it down in just a while. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to support the channel. Thanks. So here we have this very nice nylon pouch. Material wise, it's not too bad. Now, not the best quality nylon. I have actually felt. Maybe this is 500D, but maybe not 400. But stitching is not bad. There is some binding over here. There is Velcro, which is stitched, but you can see not too close to the edge. But overall, for a free gift, you can't complain. I mean, I think the quality is there. Strap here too, quality not the best in terms of the material thickness and grade. I think this could have been improved just a bit, just to give it more body and form. But then again, it will definitely, take the weight. It is serviceable. So overall, in terms of materials, I think it's fair, and because it's free, you can't really complain that much. Don't really like the billboarding personally, but again, this was a promotional gift, so you can't blame them. So this particular knife pouch takes 6 knives, and I think if you are thinking of storage solutions to keep your knives, something like this is great. So if you have 6 select knives that you want to keep separate from the rest, you just want to keep them protected, this is probably a very good deal. And I've got other storage solutions, especially if you live in a small space and you want, keep the knives safe away from family members, or you just want to keep it nice and put them and slot them easily so that you can put them in drawers or cabinets and not just have them all around or in a drawer. These solutions would work. So let's open this up and have a look. That's how it looks like. Unlike other knife bags that I have, they're usually half slot so you can actually see the knives. In this case, you can't see any knives at all, which can be a good thing because it's going to protect all your knives. So if you've got valuable knives where scales you do want to get scratched or fingerprints on, something like that would work. The downside, of course, is you have no idea what the knives are. I guess you could fold it back, but you can see it depends how big your knives are. You can see I've got all 6 compartments filled up, but you may not be able to see all the knives, as you can see, depending on how big the knives are. But I guess if they are big enough, you can look at that and you'd be able to recognize them if they're your knives. And I've got all Civivi knives over here. Why don't I just take them out and let's have a look at them. We've got the Rustic Gent, the Civivi Plus. So take note, if you have very small knives like this, so this would go all the way in, as you can see. And if you want to reach it, you really have to kind of put your fingers in to pull it out. But again, it's supposed to fit all kinds of knives, and you can take pretty big knives. That's the Altus. On this side, a slip joint, the Trailblazer. The X-Arc. And finally, my biggest Civivi, this is the Conspirator with the button lock. So as you can see, that fits in very well. Still hidden, but you can see it juts out like that. So that's how all the different knives are fitted within this 6-slot pouch. I think it's great, well padded, well protected. Everything just folds up like that into a neat package. So overall, I think a great gift, a very smart gift as well, because gifts that have utility, I think, are always the best. And if you give a knife pouch like that, generally a lot of the Chinese companies will give these single knife pouches, but it's tough to have all these single knife pouches all over. You have no idea how to label them. Having something like this is great because you can keep 6 knives together all at once. Now, let me know your thoughts on this WeKnife and Civivi knife bag. Do you own it? Do you have it? Do you use it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.